Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word resume. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. I need to update my resume before applying for any new job opportunities. A resume is a document containing a person's education, work experience, skills, and accomplishments, typically used when applying for a job. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.